Who's up there, Emoji? Did Walnut come and visit you? Is her your friend? Hi, Walnut. This is Moji's cave. This is Moji's cave. He said, could Walnut come and visit me? He said, I sure could use a friend. What do you think, Walnut? He loves you. Yes, he does. Oh, my goodness. Walnut. Walnut. You're a pretty girl. What do you think, Moji? Can she play with your toy? Can she play with your toy? Is this a Walnut? Walnut. Is that your fishy? Is that your fishy? That's Emoji's fishy. Oh, you're leaving? You going back up top again? Be nice, don't tie her tail. Hi, Walnut. I'm glad to see you guys get along. Well, I gotta go get ready for the Annex broadcast. Okay? You don't hear, Emoji. You learning. You learning she's your friend. He seemed so happy to be around her. Same with little G last night. All right, guys. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay? Okay, Moj? Okay. You look sleepy, buddy.